In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shopping cart from WordPress. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to remove the shopping cart icon from any of your WordPress pages. So to do this, you will have to customize your website and include a specific snippet of CSS. So to access the Customize tab, you can usually go into Appearance, and when you hover over this, you will see Customize, but if you don't, then just open the editor page, and from the URL at the top, go to customize.php. So wp-admin/customize.php. When you go to this page, you will find the option to input additional CSS. So at the left side of the screen, click here. You will notice that sadly, I don't have the upgraded plan that allows me to use CSS. I apologize, but regardless, I'm still going to show you how to use this snippet of code. And if you have access to the custom CSS permissions, you will be able to input it here. So the CSS that you have to include is this. It is going to be available on the WordPress forums under this post by Jack and Carter. Remove cart button and currency amount from header. So all that you have to do is copy it here. Site-header-cart.cart.contents display none. So you can pause the video and copy this, and then just input it here. Of course, if your specific cart icon is not in the header, then modify this specific part here. It could be the footer, for example, but for most templates and themes, it is always going to be at the top. So once you input this snippet of code into the additional CSS, it's going to remove the cart icon and the currency being displayed. And of course, you can repeat this with as many pages as you have. As long as it is modifying the specific section where the cart icon is on, it is going to be translated across all pages. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove shopping cart from WordPress. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.